Did you know that before Haiti was even an independent nation, men from present-day Haiti fought on American soil during the American Revolution? In 1779, hundreds of free men of color from Saint-Domingue, present-day Haiti, joined French forces, fighting alongside the Americans during the Siege of Savannah, Georgia. They belonged to a unit known as the Chasseurs-Volontaires de Saint-Domingue, and according to a long-standing historical tradition, among these young men was a drummer named Henri Christophe. Remember that name, because Henri Christophe would later become one of the leaders of the Haitian Revolution and eventually King Henri I of Haiti. The tradition connecting him to the battle remains an important part of the story surrounding the Saint-Domingue volunteers. The participation of the Chasseurs-Volontaires became part of the shared history connecting Haiti and the United States. And more than 2 centuries later, a monument stands in Savannah, Georgia, commemorating these men. So the next time somebody asks, what have Haitians contributed to America? Show them this monument. Haiti and America's history didn't begin with today's immigration debate. Our histories were connected before Haiti even declared independence in 1804. History doesn't disappear simply because people don't know it. Now you know. Did you know about the Saint-Domingue soldiers or the story of Henri Christophe before today? Tell me in the comments.